We put Dan in the backseat where he belongs.
Shove him back there a little more.
No, stop it.
Yeah, there you go. He's got it.
Yeah,
Welcome to another chai tour.
Trees.
Hello and welcome back to Chai Tour Chai with Dan Huff.
Still not focused. It's still not focused.
And Liz Matt. We don't need to be welcoming Liz to our group today for a limited time offer. Liz?
$3 an hour.
We're paying her. Liz,
Are you paying me or am I paying you?
You're paying us. Well, where are we going today? This is a Liz recommendation.
It's called Black Lot.
Let's go rate her. So, service inside the building was...
We got bullied in there.
It was good. The customers bullied us.
There's a line to get in. Wow, dude, it's a poppin' place. I gotta say that first of all, poppin'. Look at that line.
Well, first we gotta look. We checked the aesthetic. Ooh, see, that's good, but they kind of underfilled us. Probably because they're mad at us.
Review time.
It's pretty good. Aesthetic, good. They daffle a little maybe nutmeg, maybe cinnamon on there, but not quite as thick a foam as I've had before.
Oh, it's nasty.
Not always. Tastes pretty good.
Here. Notice Liz hasn't been in any of the previous try videos, so she's a new.
One sip.
It's like not too sweet, but still is sweet. It's got a lot of spice going on there. It's pretty good, TBH.
What else you gotta say besides TBH?
6.5.
6.5?
6.5. 6.52. It's gotta be obscure.
I like it.
Okay, you got anything else?
Man, that's good. That's the kind of content we needed.
7.
It has to be point something. Don't be rookie scoring me.
7.73.
That's just so high. I'm gonna film Jack tasting.
Oh, I get the brick wall.
It's good, it's good. Taste. Oh, you're a terrible person. That's not okay.
Oh, that foam's good.
That's good.
Let's do that. Do that.
That's actually very good.
Yeah. Wow, that's really good.
Let me have another sip of that.
No, get out of here.
Man, this man's literally sousing the whole thing. What's your review?
It's really good. I like the nutmeggy taste. It's different from other stuff we've had in the past. I've never had one like this. It's not watered down. I'm gonna give it an 8.2. I'm literally gonna
8.2?
Yeah.
Get another sip of this. What the
It's
heck
good.
are you on?
I like.
All right, we went to Alchemy Coffee Shop, nondescript cup. What we got here? White foam, no spice. I don't know how we feel about that. It kind of tastes like melted vanilla ice cream. 4.78? 4.78.
To rate a chai that doesn't taste like chai, you gave it a 4. That's right below average.
We've had a bunch of those. It's sad how common a vanilla chai is.
No, it does really taste like melted vanilla ice cream. I'd say 2.5.
2.5. Ooh, this is rough. All right,
That's
my turn.
Good crunch.
No, food's good. Wow, this is terrible. Daniel was right. It tastes like melted hot vanilla ice cream. Alchemist, you did not do a good job on your chai. I'm giving you a 1.3. 1.3. Not even kidding. Not a chai. Carly?
It's a French place.
It's called ratatouille.
I don't think I've ever had a chai that tastes like this. Very interesting spices. I want to say cardamom, but it's not cardamom.
Big word. Big word. I don't know what that is.
So rate it.
There's a good ratio for
It smells a little like
spices.
cardamom.
It's not your turn yet.
Cardamom.
It's not your, get out of here.
I did like the other one more still, but I would give this like a 6.
The first one we had.
Yes. 6.8.
Paprika? You think it is?
6.8.
TBH, I'm pretty excited about this.
Stop saying TBH.
I smell some YBN Corday in it. That's a rapper. You wouldn't understand.
I have no idea what he's saying.
Okay, I'm
either.
trying. Foam is good. I
Wine?
love the ginger. The Collectivo
Can
one
you
that I love. Also added ginger.
Can I try it again?
I want to taste it.
I'm gonna say 8.69.
Are you serious?
8.6.
That's higher than the other one.
Did you see what I did there? I gave it 6.9.
Really good.
Oh wow, it is good.
Yeah, I know, it kills. How much?
7.8.
7.8.
What's the other one?
8.3. I think that one's a little better.
We did the same thing.
Give us some shots in front of this beautiful sign.
Walks backwards into the street, gets hit by a car. Hello, Governor. We've got some delicious pizza here.
Dan convinced me to go to Pete's after I said the video was over, but here we are.
Presentation's not mind-blowing. Just kind of foamy. Smells quite good. There's some good chai. A lot of vanilla. I'm getting hit with some vanilla.
I have another battery in the car. Go.
It's good. Angle's good.
Just freaking go. You still burn yourself?
Just a little bit. Alright, there's not a ton of flavor to it. I'm gonna give it like a 6.12.
That's all I was recording the whole time. I was recording a dog taking a dump over there, not listening to you.